Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. As promised in my last video, I have a huge unboxing to do today, and I need your help because I can't decide if I should keep one of these items. One of them is going back for sure. The other one I'm kind of on the fence about. I have been kind of looking online for alternatives, and let me just explain why when I get them out of the box. I'm not going to unwrap these bags because I don't want to risk any issues with the return if I decide to do that, but I think I can show them to you pretty well without unwrapping them. So without further ado, let's get into it. And when I say I'm not going to unwrap them, they don't have wrapping around them. They just have all the straps wrapped up and they have the stuff stuffed inside, so I can still show you what they are really easily. All right. Huge. This is from 24S. They used to do a pop-up type thing on the inside of the lid for their Parisian packaging. They don't do that anymore. So this does come from France, which is funny because these are both American brands. I am going to put the box back here. If you order from 24S or from Harrods, like I ordered my little Softie from, they do make the returns process super easy, even though you're shipping the items abroad. For example, they have a form with kind of a checklist up at the top that they include. And then they also, for 24S, they include all of the documents in this little packet that you need to return. You just have to check a couple boxes and sign it, and then take the sticker off the back of this, affix it to your package, and give it to somebody at FedEx. So it's really easy. And like I said, I do plan to do that for one of these bags for sure. The other one I am debating about. So 24S has went to a system where they only do free shipping for orders over $400. And the item that I really thought I wanted, it came out to be like, I think, $330 something. It was $395 with 15% off. So that would be about $60 off. So it was between $335 and $340 for the item that I'm contemplating, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then the second item that I've got right here, it's a Coach bag, and it was marked down from $295 to $177. And the coupon code that I used, which was, I believe, First 15 or Winter 15, I use that on the other bag. So let's get into this. This is the Coach Cary Crossbody, and it is in the color Dark Stone. So I got this bag thinking it would be kind of a good knockaround bag, a bag I could use when I was worried about using one of my fancy pants luxury bags. And when I very first looked at it, I mean, it's got this dent here, which I don't love. I'm sure that would work out, but it just, I don't know, it's just kind of plain, and it doesn't make me all excited. Let me grab my camera bag that's in the taupe color, and then we can compare the colors and I can give you some more thoughts on this. So Coach doesn't have this dark stone Cary in the store. It's something I think that was exclusive to department stores, and also 24S had it, and there may be other places, but I wanted to see it in person. I haven't seen it at a department store, and so that's why I went ahead and ordered it so that I could get the free shipping. The other bag, like I said, didn't total the $400, and so I was going to lose a lot of my discount that I was getting on that bag, the $60 discount, by paying $20 in shipping that would be non-refundable. If you order over $400, you get free return shipping, and so it just made sense to try something else that I thought might work, and if I didn't like it, I don't lose any money at all. So the Cary in the dark stone color, I want to show you how this color compares to taupe. So this is Coach's taupe color right here, and here's the dark stone. I have seen the dark stone in the Bandit. My friend Julie with Agent Bag Reviews, I think, has that one, and it is gorgeous. But for some reason, for me, the color in this bag doesn't wow me quite as much. I got my mother-in-law one of the Cary hobos in this color last fall, and I loved it. And so I'm not sure, maybe it's just me, maybe it's just the day, maybe it's all the bags I have, but I don't know. I'm just not feeling this bag right now, but let me go ahead and try it on. I may change my mind. I was kind of hoping that the taupe and the dark stone would be close enough that I could use straps interchangeably, but I just don't think they are. So here is the bag on my shoulder, and this is sort of where I'm contemplating, and it's just because it feels a little bulky. Now, I will say I do have a little bit more clearance under my armpit than I thought I would with this bag. And while I'm standing, let me tell you, this is one of the new tops I've got recently. This is Z Supply. They did a suede collection a few years ago. It's not real suede, but it kind of feels and looks like suede. And I have been obsessed with it lately. I've been scouring Poshmark and finding tops for like $5, $10, so they work out to be like 15 or 16 after you pay the shipping. And I got this one like that, and I can link some on Poshmark if I find some down below, because this suede texture feels amazing. Anyway, so back to the bag. I kind of thought I would put a chain on it from Coach and drape it across the front to give it a little bit of pizzazz. Enter Exhibit 1. So here is my C chain. This is something you can buy directly from Coach, and I believe they're $125, but that could have changed. So you could drape this chain across the front. That definitely makes a difference. I really am starting to like this bag a little bit more now that I'm seeing it like this. The leather is very, very supple, but it's definitely not as supple as the soft Pebble camera bag is. This is so, so soft. This is definitely a little bit stiffer, and part of it may be the fact that it is stuffed and it's going to get squishier when you take out the guts, all the stuff they've got in it. I am not going to fully unwrap a strap, but I want to try it on crossbody, so I'm going to take it out and just remove this one piece, because now I'm tempted to keep it. I know this is terrible. I was going to send it back and save the money, but now I'm tempted to keep it. So this is kind of where it is on me crossbody. I do like this. I mean, this is nice. Now I'm really tempted. I have the short strap just tucked behind, but it's completely removable. It's just not removable with all of the plastic things holding it on. But that is a cute little bag. Now, I have a lot of bags that are in this color family, but nothing that's quite this dark. I'm kind of looking around my closet to see if I have any shoes that would match this color, because that would be kind of cool if I had darker shoes. But I don't think I do. I am just still on the fence, but seeing it on me crossbody makes me want it even a little more. It is called the Cary crossbody, so perhaps that's why. With this short strap, it just felt a little bulky on my arm, but it doesn't feel that way like this at all. So now I'm definitely tempted. So the chain is making a difference for me. Chains often do that for me, and I am tempted. Let me put this one down and show you what else is in the box. So the other one is a Marc Jacobs, the tote bag small. Used to be the mini, and I haven't bought a new one of these for a while. I collected them, and then I got up to like 5 or 6, and I sold all of them but my cement Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, which is this one right here. And so this is the new one that I got. I got this because I thought it would be cool to bring to my kids' sporting events, since their team colors are red and light blue. And I also go to a lot of the University of Kansas events, and their colors are red and like a royal blue. And you can't bring a bag to those this big, but I could do things there in that town with the bag this big. And so when I opened it up, the first thing I noticed was the lettering. The lettering seems really dark to me, and it doesn't really come across as dark when it's back, but look how dark it is when it's up close to the camera. I really like it when the lettering is a lot more subtle than that, and it looks very subtle when it's back like this, but in person, it's very dark. And Julie and I were talking about this. She has this bag too, and I asked her, I said, is your lettering as dark? Because when I've seen videos on the true red color, which is the color this is, I have had the impression that the lettering was very tonal and it blended in. And when I buy a Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, or when I have in the past, I've always went for those more tonal colors where the tote bag blends in a lot. And I feel like the cement one blends in a lot, but of course now looking at it on camera, there's really not all that much of a difference in terms of the darkness of the lettering, but for some reason it just seems so much more subtle to me on the cement one. Do you guys see that, or is that just me? Is it pretty much the same on either option? Because now that I'm looking at it, I want to keep this bag too. Is that not crazy? I'm going cuckoo, for real. Cuckoo, that's me. I don't know what to do. So I think I am gonna return the Cary. I just have a lot of bags in the taupe color family. And if I need a knock around bag, my camera bag is really the way to go. But I don't have any red tote bags. I was looking this morning online at Longchamp Le Pliage top handle totes. I thought it would be really cool to find the small size of this bag for carrying to ball games and stuff. This is the medium. It's the one I just got. I paid $3.20, I believe, or $319.99 on Gilt for this all leather Longchamp bag that retails for over $500. And it's still mislabeled, but it shows exactly what it is in the photograph, and it is now I think $287.99, which is an absolute steal. So I'm gonna link this down below, but there was a red available in this style in the size small at one point, and the only ones I can find are used ones on eBay, and they all have corner wear. So I don't want to go that route. I bought one in nylon in the Neo line from Nordstrom Rack this morning, and then I canceled the order because I'm just not sure what to do. The Neo line is the Longchamp nylon that they discontinued, and it's actually like a thicker nylon. It's really nice. I have a black large shoulder tote as well as a taupe large shoulder tote, and they feel amazing. I've also had extra smalls in the Neo nylon. They've been fabulous, and so that's why I was contemplating the red small crossbody Neo on Nordstrom Rack's website. It was actually, I'm going to adjust this real quick. It was marked down from, I believe, $220 to $129.99, and so I hit buy and then I hit cancel because I don't know what to do. This red may be a better red than what I was looking at, and I'm going to pop a picture of the one I was looking at in right now because it looks like it's a little bit of a deeper red than I want, and so going with this tote, it may be a better option. I'm so on the fence. I'm like so wishy-washy about these two items. But I do really like the Longchamp, the tote bags, and I can imagine carrying this with 2 Diet Dr. Peppers stuffed inside to a game and feeling a little bit less awkward about bringing my own drinks in. They never sell the kind I want. It's always like Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi, which is yuck. But anyway, what do you guys think? I mean, I think I'm going to send back the Cary. I'm not sure about this one though. I'm really just teetering on the fence, and I don't know what to do. I have another 2 bags coming, and so part of the reason why I'm teetering is because of the money I've spent, and so I just need a little bit of advice. Let me give you a quick spin of this bag. It's just like all of the other Marc Jacobs, the tote bags. It's got a plaque on the back saying what it is, and it's such a cute size. It's about 10 inches across. It holds absolutely everything you need. It used to be called the mini, which is nuts because it's not mini at all with what it can hold. I have decked this one out with a Next Fashion chain, and I love the look of it. I would definitely put this on the red one. And then I also have an insert from Zumani in this bag, and I'm sure that they would probably send me one for this bag if I decided to keep it. So let me just stand up and hold it just to give myself a better feeling, and maybe it'll help you help me decide. I was literally going to run to FedEx this morning and return this, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I really don't know what to do. I may have to keep it for a couple days and ponder before I run and return it, because I would hate to return it and have to reorder it all the way from France. I just don't want to waste all the fuel and all the time and money that the company spent to get this to me. If it ends up being for me, I don't want to return it and buy it back again. But that is really cute. I don't want to show you a full example of what my kids' sports team's called, but look at how well that red goes with the red that they put on their merchandise. It's just a perfect match. Here is another example. Look at how that red matches the red on my sweatshirt for the kids' school. And then of course, it's like a perfect University of Kansas red. The more I look at it, the more I think I want to keep it. So I had the form all filled out to send this back, but I think you guys have convinced me to keep it, and you haven't even commented on any of this yet. So I'm going to put the Cary in the box, and I'm going to keep this out and look at it for maybe a couple days and make my final decision. But let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.